Hello guys, so welcome to another video. Today we have a very special video. Check this out. We finally have the TECNO CAMON 20 Mr. Doodle edition in the house. This is literally an exclusive collaboration between TECNO and Mr. Doodle, and in this video we're going to tell you all about it. We are even going to challenge ourselves to match Mr. Doodle. Just like we always do is, let's first see what comes inside the box, then we are going to talk about the unique feature of the TECNO Mr. Doodle edition. Let's get to the video. The first thing you're going to see is this beautifully designed box. And inside, the 12-month warranty card and some Doodle stickers, a hard case. Everything has been doodled here. Inside this tiny box, you can actually see the earpiece and a Type-C to A charger. Then you get the charging brick as well. Now let's check out the phone itself. I really like the Doodle theme all around. This is how the phone looks like. So then it comes to the phone itself. Just like I said from the beginning, this is a special edition which we're going to talk about very soon. But as you can see, the design looks and feels very nice. What they actually did with this device is that they actually implemented a technology that is able to absorb the light that hits it, and you take it into the dark, it's actually going to glow. This is really cool. This is the first time any mobile phone company has done anything like this inside their mobile phones, and TECNO is the first to do it. This actually looks really good. All you have to do is to blast some light on it, and if you take it into the dark, you're going to get this device glowing, showing the CAMON 20 and some nice inscriptions on it. This is a very unique feature, and it's only TECNO that has been able to do it so far. The glowing effect also has this Doodle art that is all over the phone, and that was actually done by Mr. Doodle. He's a UK artist and he has been doodling since he was like 2 years old. And let's say I was inspired. So in this video, I got my markers here, I got some sheets here. I'm going to challenge myself to also doodle. So at the end of the video, I'm going to show you what I have. But let's talk about Mr. Doodle a little bit. So Mr. Doodle, like I said, is a UK-based artist. He started doodling since he was like 2 years old. So his goal is to doodle everything and won't leave any spot in his life without his marks. So you can see he has Googled all over his house, and he has had some amazing collaborations with fashion brands like Fendi, Adidas, and the likes. And TECNO, like they always do, found a way to incorporate this amazing effects with the Doodle arts into one phone. That is exactly what they did here. So TECNO collaborated with Mr. Doodle, and they were able to imprint some doodles on the phone, and anytime that the light hits it, it absorbs the energy, and when you take it into the dark, it's going to glow for you. This literally has so many advantages, and I'm very, very excited that TECNO is the company that was able to implement this into their mobile phone devices. The icons have also been made differently for this Mr. Doodle edition of this phone, and I think it looks really, really good. I actually wish I could actually copy this icon and place it on any other TECNO device that I have. I really like all the details that TECNO puts into this one. Mainly, that is all that this phone is about. It has the same specs and features just like the ones that were released earlier, but for this limited edition, it comes with this unique feature as well. If you want us to run through the specs that this comes with, when you look at the display, we still have the 6.7 inches 120Hz AMOLED display, which still looks good. The colors and everything are really good. And for the CAMON 20 Pro, this still has the Helio G99 chipset, which is very, very capable, like I mentioned in my full review. When it comes to the cameras, we have the 64 megapixel main sensor at the back that takes amazing pictures. Before we continue, let's see how I'm doing so far when it comes to my Doodle. And so far so good. It looks like I'm actually getting somewhere. Let's finish up. And for the selfie camera, we have a 32 megapixel camera as well, which takes amazing pictures. And for battery life, you have a 5000 mAh battery, which is definitely going to last you the whole day, just like I mentioned in my video. So do you want to see if I was able to beat Mr. Doodle? Are you ready for the big review? Okay, this is what I was able to do. This was actually way harder than I thought, to be honest. This took a lot of time. It took me about 10 or 15 minutes to make. After this, I'm impressed with the art that Mr. Doodle has been doing so far. It looks simple, but when you're trying to do it for yourself, it's actually very hard. But guys, what do you think about this? Let me know what you think about this glowing effect that TECNO has implemented. I think it's very, very cool, and a lot of people are going to enjoy it just like I'm enjoying it. I like to be the unique one that anywhere that I go, I bring out my phone and my phone is glowing in the dark. Not everybody is going to have this, and TECNO is the first company to implement this. And I think it's the most unique feature in this phone. Reason why almost half of this video is talking about this. This looks really, really nice.